Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the project ready and choosing the build variant you need. Open Android Studio, select the app module, then switch build variant to release or debug depending on your goal. Make sure Gradle sync finishes without errors. If something breaks, resolve it now so the build can proceed. Once done, clean the project to remove stale artifacts, because a fresh build reduces unexpected issues later. This prepares the environment and ensures the APK you generate reflects current code and resources. Next, you build the actual APK file and choose signing options. If you need a release APK, pick Build Generate Signed Bundle/APK, create or select a key store, enter alias and passwords, and choose Release Signing. This produces installable, market-ready artifacts. For a quick debug APK, choose Build APK S and skip signing steps. Keep an eye on the build window. It shows progress and the exact path where the APK lands. Make sure build tasks complete with success before proceeding to locate the file. Finally, locate and verify the APK you created. Click the path in the build window or browse to app/build/output/app/variant to find the app file. Install it on a device or emulator to confirm functionality and permissions. If you plan to publish, use the signed release APK and confirm version code/version name are correct. If something goes wrong, check the Gradle console for dependency errors, mismatched signatures, or ProGuard/R8 issues. Fixing those.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.